Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'd like to talk about one of the services that Performatec can provide, and that is the coning and threading of high pressure water jet tubing. Coning and threading may seem a simple enough task, yet the smallest variance in tolerance can make or break the join when connecting the tubing into a fitting. There's three key areas of coning and threading. The first one is lubrication. So this is key for keeping the tooling cool and achieving a perfect finish on the thread and the cone. Second one is cleanliness, so ensuring there's no excess swarf to prevent any indentations on the cone surface, and of course any damage to the thread. And the third one would be accuracy and getting those dimensions right, so the end of the cone seats perfectly and seals perfectly into the fitting. Now there's two ways that you can cone and thread high pressure tubing. One of those ways is by using hand tools, or as we call them, power tools, because you can connect them to a battery drill. The second way is using a machine like this. So this is a coning and threading machine that we've got in-house and can provide services as and when you need. We've affectionately named this one Max, and yeah, any requirements you need, all we need are dimensions and bend, size, radius and the like, and we can make those up for you. So now one of my colleagues will be demonstrating this machine. Take it away. So as mentioned, next time you need a piece of high pressure tubing for your water jet machine, please reach out and we can make this to suit your requirements. Alternatively, we also have the power and coning threading tools, which you can use on the end of a battery drill. So if you would like more info on these, feel free to reach out also. As always, thanks for watching and take care.